Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan and I'm so excited because this is a video collaboration again with my super good friend Nicole of Hello Happy Mom. We just discovered that we both have a semi-secret obsession with the company Rough and Tumble, which is just so funny because her and I have so much in common. We both have 3 little kids, we both live in Texas, we both love diaper bags, we both have YouTube channels. And so if you're not giving her a follow, go ahead and do that. You can find all of her information in my description box below. Now let me show you the bag that we both have like a different style in, and they both look something kind of like this. Mine is a canvas top with a leather bottom and leather details throughout, and hers is an all leather bag. The other difference is mine is a size extra large, hers is a size large, so we thought it would be fun to give you kind of an idea and an introduction if you don't know about the brand to this style bag, which we're both really into. So mine here at the top does have an additional short strap. This is the wider strap and it just attaches to the D-rings here and here. The bag also has this really cool feature, and this is a crossbody strap. Like you can just throw it over your shoulder and wear it as a crossbody. Mine is too long really for me to comfortably wear just like on my side like this, which is why I really prefer the short strap. But watch this. Okay, so I just pull on the sides here. And currently the bag is empty, so I just wanted to show you all the different features. But I can pull on these straps here. They come together in the middle, and the bag becomes a backpack style bag that is like beyond comfortable. It's probably the most comfortable convertible backpack style bag I've ever worn, tried on, used. And I had my husband try it on and he was like shocked because this bag just does not look like, it looks like it would be uncomfortable as a backpack style because it's like convertible and it's not shaped at all like a typical backpack, but it really is like obscenely comfortable. In the back here, the bag has a long zipper, and this is humongous, like so big. The zippers are so easy to use. On this side, I have 2 huge open pockets and 1 smaller leather pocket and a huge pocket here with a smaller leather pocket again. And that is all of the pocketing. If you're looking at me like, well, that's not exactly the organization I normally go for, like me, I don't normally go for such little organization. I've been shocked at how happy I've been using this bag the way it's set up. So now I'm going to tilt the camera down and show you how I have been packing this bag and how much it can hold. I cannot possibly fill the bag, but I love a good large bag because my kids are always handing me stuff to put inside, and I just think like extra space is always a good thing. So let me go ahead and tilt the camera down and show you how I've been packing it up. Okay, I can kind of tell what you're thinking. Like, first of all, this bag looks like kind of smushy, but I actually have this bag packed up with everything I need. It's a really large bag, and so it has like this great slouch that I love. I know, it like shows up real funky. You can see like better there that it's more like beautiful shape when you're carrying it. Okay, so I've showed you what the interior pockets look like. Now I'm gonna show you what I have packed inside. We're gonna start with this zippered pocket again, and in here I just have all of my diapering needs. So I have all over wipes, diapers, more diapers, a pull-up, baggies in case things get really gross, and all of that fits in that pocket. Like, it only takes up half the amount of room. In this little leather pocket here at the back, I just have a couple of like random mom essentials. I have a hair tie and my AirPods, and then what I consider the front of the bag. In this pocket here, another leather pocket, I just have my iPhone, and then in this open pocket, I threw in my 17-ounce Swell bottle. I can also fit my Hydro Flask 32-ounce in here, no problem. You know what I even did the other day? I had my water bottle in here, and then I had a sippy cup tucked in next to it. It's really hard to find bags that have like somewhere to put 2 different size bottles like this, so I was really happy that that fit. And then in this pocket here, I have hand sanitizer, a lip gloss, and some teething gel for the baby. And behind that, I know it looks like these pockets would be hard to get into, but I promise you, like when the bag is hanging more up on your shoulder, that's not the case. I have my beautiful wallet from Lily Jade in this gorgeous brandy color, which I just thought looked really nice. Of course, some boogie wipes because it's that time of year. And then moving on to the main compartment, you can kind of see that I don't have it super full. Like, there would be so much more room in here, but again, I just like the drape of the bag, and so I don't worry about making sure it's filled up in some way. There is a key leash here on the side, which is just super long. It's like a foot long, which I love because it makes it easy to find my keys. And then I have my Costco wipes thrown in, and this cute pouch from the Puccini Pickle Bottom Intermix set, which has changes of clothes for my 2 youngest. And then the last thing I have tucked inside is this super lightweight pouch by MD Wallace. This came in my medium satin, and this just has a variety of unhealthy snacks to keep my kids happy. Fruit snacks, applesauce, and these cookie Cliff Bars that my kids would eat for every meal if I gave them the opportunity. So hopefully that helps if you're looking for a new bag company to be obsessed with. This might be the right call for you. I just love the canvas with the leather, insanely durable and lightweight, which I'm just really obsessed with. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to head over to Hello Happy Mom, Nicole's channel, and see how she packed up her large hobo, also by Rough and Tumble, so you can just learn more about the brand and see if this style bag might be something that will work for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram at Megan Kingsford, and I will see you guys in a video super soon. Bye!